pressure. Those doors are about to open. They lead to our central surveillance and observation chamber.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to Reese.
Really? Look, if you're with us, come on in. We'll give you your assignments once you're in. Wow! Looks like everybody's coming out.
Contribution to the future of chocolate. You're on the leading edge right now. And what happens to everything that's sweet and good in this world is up to you.
Whew. Thought you could get away from me, did you? You have to get up pretty early in the morning to outrun a chocolate and peanut butter blend, my friend. And since I'm a hybrid, I can go forever.
No.
Reese, what is it? It's a toy robot. All it says is no, over and over again. I don't know, must be broken. Or out of batteries. I'll chuck it.
Reese, wait! Don't throw it away!
Hershey, you're a little old for toy robots.
Reese, it's our first clue.
I'm gonna run. You guys stay sweet, stay frosty, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Chocolate World. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Alright, hold on. Do you want kisses?